Ram Ramji. My name is Dr. Preeti Manchanda and I'm an electrohomeopath and iridologist. On the very special day of Doctor's Day, I would love to congratulate each and every doctor who is working in either alternative system of medicines, or if he's surgeon, or if he's dietitian or physiotherapist, or in any manner if any health worker is working to serve humanity. This special day belongs to you. And on this very special day, I would love to gift you with one of the thing. The name of my gift is iris lens. Now this small iris lens is especially for the people who are practicing an alternative system of medicines, and to be very honest, especially electrohomeopaths. Now this iris lens has its own features. It bears a logo of my clinic, that is Sri Arun Manchanda, and my tagline which says, "Your eyes reveal and we heal." That is what I strongly believe in. Your eyes are the carrier of all your genetic predispositions, your deficiencies. They are the window of your soul. So, if you'll open this, look at this. What we'll do is, we'll open the one flap, and with the help of 90-degree angle, we have got this thing, right? And now there's another flap which opens like this and is like this. This tiny lens holds a light in itself, right? This small and powerful light is here. What we'll do is, we place this particular region over here, and we can see the iris literally clearly. This has got really strong magnification. I hope it is easily visible. The corneal arcus in my eye, although there's no lymphatic congestion, but yes, purpose of ring is there. Quite a nice one. This lens is here with us with a single motive to say, we are not at all interested in using Chinese products anymore. Do you remember when we were a small kid, our mother used to save money, she used to save every single thing if in case we need it. She used to make resources powerful enough to help us to serve everything. This lens is with the same purpose. It is going to help you in many ways. First important thing, this is purely Indian. Second, it is manual. Being manual, there is no complication, so low maintenance, quite reasonable. In fact, this is free of cost for every single person who wants to learn iridology and with whom we can help in learning iridology. Wonderful science that will help you to boost up your career. The purpose of this lens is basically to let the things be in a such simple manner that the person is able to understand every single thing. Now the question arises, if I'll use this lens, how will I remember every single thing that I've seen in the patient's eye? We'll be providing you a chart of right iris as well as left iris, which has got certain division itself, some sectors in itself. If you see some lesion, say circular lacuna in 0 minute position at 0 minute position in right eye, you can mark that particular lesion in that particular map, the right eye and the left eye. For example, if a person is having a strong circular lacuna in a close circular lacuna at 0 minute position, as well as contraction furrows in either of the eye, both the things are in relation with each other. When you learn this, you'll get to know this. They are strongly indicative of migraine. There's some sort of predisposition towards migraine. So such features, when you see in any of the eye, you can mark them on the chart provided to you along with this lens, and thereby you can mention those chart. You can keep those chart with the name of the patient written over it, in your own very own register, and you can keep them for years and years and years. That belongs to you. It's purely yours. It's quite easy to use. I'll repeat this thing once again. Open this, place this, our logo once again, such a pretty one. This one, have you noticed this particular frame protects this lens? Protection is really important, you see. Light it on, place it in the on the eye, have a look of your iris. After you switch it off, fold it again, keep it in the bag provided to you, secure it please, and then it's ready for the further use. Thank you. Ram Ramji.